Hello guys. Today we are starting our guest post course. In this course I'll teach you what is guest post. Guest blogging, also called guest posting, is the act of writing content for another company's website. Generally, guest bloggers write for similar blogs within their industry in order to attract traffic back to their website. Second thing is how to find content for guest post. Third one is how to rewrite your content. Using some tools to rewrite your URL content within few minutes. How to 100% plagiarism free your content. In simple words, how to claim or make copyright free content. How to find websites for posting your guest post. I'll help you to find paid and free websites to publish your guest post. How to post your guest post on any website and rank your content on google.com. And at the end of this course I'll teach you how to find freelance jobs about guest posting in different online marketplaces. Hope you understand all over lecture. Thanks me later.